So how is the learning going with Sokartua? So I welcome you today class, that is lecture number 18 and it's week number 5. So we were discussing the topic trigonometry, and in last class we had discussed some of the complex questions in which more than 2 unknowns are involved, and we had discussed what are the common mistakes that most students make in this topic trigonometry and which key points we should follow to make good progress in this topic, right? So we had discussed all these things in last class. Now, in today's class we are going to discuss the word problem of trigonometry. Keep in mind that 2 or 3 classes back we had discussed an idea of the word problem, but now we are going to discuss in detail the word problem of trigonometry. And the most important is that what is an angle of elevation. That is very important, and most students make mistake regarding the angle of elevation. How you draw the diagram of word problem. Keep in mind, if you are that you will score or you will attempt the question in correct order. So diagram of the word problem is very important, and there is one question in this lecture, and that is challenge question of length. I challenge you at the beginning of this lecture that 90% of students are failed and to attempt this question correct at first time, right? So I challenge you as well. In today's lecture we are going to discuss this challenge question. So let's begin.
Okay class, so today is lecture number 18. It's week 5, right? In last class we had discussed some of the question involving 2 different right angle triangles, and in last class I have told you important 3 steps to attempt such type of questions, right? So continue the topic trigonometry, and today is the last class of the topic trigonometry. And in last class we are going to discuss some of the word problems, right? So all these questions are from your book 2, 7th edition, exercise 11D, and it's page number 308. So I'm going to start with question number 1. So it says a point A on level ground is 34 meters from the foot B of a Christmas tree DB. So in this question the diagram is plotted with the word problem. So you have a Christmas tree and this is your right angle triangle, right? Okay. So the point A, B and the point D. A point A on level ground is 34 meters away from the foot. So this distance is 34 meters. Given that AD makes an angle of 32 degrees. So that angle is 32 degrees. Find the height of the Christmas tree. So you need to find the value of x, right? So if the triangle is drawn, so it is very easy question like the simple trigonometry. Now you need to find the value of opposite and adjacent is known. So opposite and adjacent comes in the formula 10. So it's tan 32 is equals to opposite divided by adjacent, right? And we know that how to solve such type of equations. So tan 32 multiplied by 34 is equals to x. Now you can find the value of tan 34 from your tan 32 from your calculator. It's 0.625. That is the value of tan 32 multiplies with 34. So when you multiply these two, so you got the value of x, that is 21.2, right? So that is your question number 1. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. First I make the figure and then I will read the question. triangle, we have 3 points A, Q and T. Now it says the height of a vertical post PQ is 7.7 meter. Given that A is a point on level ground such that AP makes an angle of, sorry, this point is P, AP makes an angle of 27 degree with the horizontal. Find the distance AQ. So you need to find the value of X. Simple trigonometry question, we need to apply the relation of opposite and adjacent. So O and A comes in 10, so it will be 10, angle is 27, opposite is 7.7 and adjacent is X. Now first thing, you need to make X the subject of the equation, and the value of 1027 is 0.51, right? So 7.7 divided by 0.51, it's 15.1. That is your adjacent, and the unit is 7.7 meters, so it's meter, right? Now if I say at this point that convert it into millimeter, what will be your answer? So it's very simple, 15.1 multiplied by 1000, because there are 1000 millimeter in 1 meter. So when you multiply it, it will be 15.1 multiplied by 1000, 15100 millimeter. So that wasn't part of the question, I was just asking by myself. So moving on to the next question, that is question number 3. Now first I need to make the figure. We have point A, B and the point K. It says Uxin standing at B is flying a kite. The kite is vertically above at A. Now vertically means that this angle is 90. The string BK of length 120 meters attached to the kite makes an angle of 53 degrees to the horizontal. Assuming the string is taut, find the distance AB. So you need to find the value of AB. Again, very simple question. So at this point you need to stop the video and try this question by yourself. So first thing, highlight which two sides we know be adjacent and hypotenuse, right? So adjacent and hypotenuse comes in cos. So it's cos 53 is equals to adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 120. Now cos 53 is 0.602 is equals to x divided by 120. To find the value of x, you need to shift 120. So it will be 0.602 multiplied by 120 is equals to x. 2.2 is equals to x. Right? That is your answer. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 4. Now first, let me draw the question. It's R, Q and P. At a certain time of a day, a church spire PQ 82 meters high, so the distance of PQ is 82 meters, cast a shadow of 62 meter long. The shadow is 62 meters. Find the angle PRQ. So you need to find the angle PRQ. Which two sides are known? It's opposite and adjacent. So opposite and adjacent comes in 10. So you need to apply 10x is equals to opposite divided by adjacent, right? Now when you divide 82 with 62, it's 1.32. So 10x is equals to 1.32. Now you need to